Google Omni is not just another AI video tool. It can edit videos with prompts, create product ads from images, and even turn one single image into a talking AI avatar. So today, I'm testing it with 3 real challenges. Challenge 1. Can Omni edit a normal video with captions, zooms, icons, transitions, and sound effects? Challenge 2. Can Omni create a product or UGC-style ad from only images? Challenge 3. Can Omni turn one image into a talking AI avatar video? At the end, I'll tell you which workflow is actually useful and which one still needs work. Before we get into the tutorial, if you want to learn more about AI, build real AI skills, sell AI services, and create passive income, join my community. We teach everything step by step. And here's a special giveaway for this video. The first 10 people to join will get free access to the community. The link is in the description. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. Before we start, quick explanation. Google Flow is the platform. Omni is the AI video editing model inside Flow. So when I say Omni, I'm talking about the video generation and editing workflow inside Google Flow. Challenge 1. AI video editing. For the first test, I'm uploading a normal talking head video. The goal is simple. I want Omni to turn this raw clip into a creator-style edit. Open Google Flow. Then click on the Try Omni button. After that, upload your simple talking head video. Click on Add Prompt and paste this prompt. Edit this video in a modern YouTube Shorts/Reel style. Add large dynamic captions, subtle zoom cuts, clean motion graphics, relevant icons, smooth transitions, and light sound effects. Keep the speaker natural. Do not change the face or voice. Make the edit fast-paced but not messy. Use a clean creator-style editing look. After that, click on Settings and adjust them according to your preference. For this tutorial, I'll use duration 10 seconds, model, Omni flash aspect, ratio 16:9. Then click Generate. After a few minutes, our video will be ready. Now let's see what Omni created.
This is Omni's most powerful feature. One image, one prompt, and Omni creates a talking avatar video automatically. Let's test it.
Here's what worked. It added captions, the pacing feels better, and the video has more movement. But here's what we still need to check. Captions may not be perfect, some effects can feel random, and you may still need manual cleanup. So for quick creator edits, this is useful. But for final client work, I would still review everything before publishing. Challenge 2, Product UGC ad. Now editing an existing video is useful. But what if we don't even have a video? Can Omni create a product ad using only a product image and a character image? This is where it becomes interesting for brands, creators, and UGC ads. Once again, go to Omni and upload your product image and your character's image. Click on Add Prompt and paste this prompt. Create a realistic UGC-style product advertisement. Use the uploaded character as the spokesperson and the uploaded product as the main product. The spokesperson should hold or present the product naturally. Speak confidently to camera and explain why the product is useful. Style: modern TikTok/Reels. UGC ad: natural lighting, handheld camera feel, authentic creator energy, clean captions, subtle product close-ups, smooth transitions. Do not distort the product. Keep the character face consistent. After that, click on Settings and use the same settings as before. Then click Generate. Now let's see what Omni created.
If you want to smell amazing, you need this. This bottle is pure luxury. It's perfect for any occasion.
This is where Omni can be very powerful. If the product stays accurate and the character looks natural, this can save a lot of time for ad concepts. But for real brand work, always check 4 things. Did the product change? Did the logo stay correct? Does the person look natural? Does the ad feel believable? If those things are good, this workflow can be very useful for UGC creators and small businesses. Challenge 3. Image to talking avatar. Can Omni make a talking avatar from one image? Now let's test the workflow that matters most for faceless creators. What if we start with only one image? Can Omni turn it into a talking AI avatar video? Now let's look at the third workflow. Upload your AI avatar image. Click on Add Prompt and paste your dialogue prompt. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, check the link in the description. After that, keep the settings exactly the same and click Generate. Now let's see the result.
Today, I'll show you how to create videos without being on camera.
This is probably the most useful workflow for faceless creators. If you can create a clean avatar image first, Omni can turn it into a talking video. But again, check. Does the face stay the same? Is the lip sync okay? Does the voice sound natural? Did the background change too much? If the result is good, this can be used for tutorials, shorts, reels, course videos, and faceless YouTube content. Honest comparison section. Which workflow is best? So after testing all three workflows, here's my honest opinion. Workflow 1, AI video editing, is good for quick creator-style edits, but you still need to check the captions and final quality. Workflow 2, product ads, is powerful for UGC concepts and ad testing, but product accuracy is the biggest risk. Workflow 3, image to avatar video, is the best for faceless creators, course creators, and AI avatar content. If I had to start with one workflow, I would start with the avatar workflow because it gives the cleanest and most useful result for content creators. If you want to master Omni, learn advanced AI workflows, build real AI skills, sell AI services, and start earning with AI, you can join my community. Everything is taught step by step. The link is in the description.